Hey guys, it's me. I'm back in my car driving. And Brooklyn is stuck in her car seat. Oh my god, it's getting grease again. So we're just taking a ride in the car. Alright guys, I'm gonna set you up. Not like that. I'm gonna set you up so you can continue driving. Let me make sure it's still recording. Okay. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope you guys can hear me. Alright, time to change this song. One of my favorite songs right now. One of the hottest songs right now, anyway. Hold on, guys. If I'm driving, I might have to sit on my legs sometimes. Loving you. Just like Bonnie and Clyde just walked in. I guess that and his bride just walked in.
We on the same team and we ballin'. Got me showing up my ring like I'm Jordan. And I'ma hold you down like you hold me. And I never tell a soul what you told me. When I was sitting in the cellars when you showed me. It takes a real one to put her with the old me. That's why you in the coupe with the low seat. That's why we at the game on the flow seats. With diamonds that they see from the nosebleed. You make a man feel like he won a trophy.
I'm gonna keep loving you down. Long as you're holding me down.
Alright, guys. We arrived at my friend's house. And I'm gonna have to end this video. I just wanted to show you guys how I drive. How I put Brooklyn in the car seat. I didn't show you that, but she's sleeping now. So I love you guys, and I'll see you later.